Joni Tomičić Prezelj is a Slovenian track and field athlete who specializes in the hurdle events, particularly the 100-meter hurdles and the 60-meter hurdles, indoors. Nationality, Slovenian. Main events, 100-meter hurdles and 60-meter hurdles. Personal bests. 100-meter hurdles, 13.15, set in 2023. 60-meter hurdles, 8.18, set in 2023. Club, she has competed for clubs such as AK Olimpija in Ljubljana. International competition, she has represented Slovenia multiple times at the international level, including at European Championships, Balkan Championships, and the Summer Universiade. She has had many national team appearances for Slovenia. Recent activity, she has continued to compete at a high level, even returning from a significant injury that caused her to miss part of the 2024 outdoor season. She is a prominent figure in Slovenian athletics, known for her performances in the sprinting and hurdling disciplines.